guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Today I decided to show you how I'm changing strings and how I'm cleaning my violin after I'm changing the strings. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell, because on my channel you can find a lot nice and useful lessons for violin and the theory of music lessons. Today guys, I decided to show you my routine, you can say it, how I'm changing the strings and how I'm cleaning my violin after all. Also, I'm planning to change my chin rest, so I'll remove the chin rest as well. I hope it will be like video guidance for you how to do it. I'll try to show you in the details what exactly I'm doing with the strings and how I'm removing the strings. Enjoy it! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Today I decided to show you how I'm changing strings on my violin and how I'm cleaning my violin. Usually when I changing strings, I'm giving a big proper bath to my instrument, or like I like to say, it's a spa day for my violin. I'm using this small thing. I even don't know how it's called, it's like a key or something. With this thing I'm removing my chin rest, and then I'm cleaning under my violin. We'll need some fabric or cloth or whatever, something soft to clean. We need some solutions, cleaner for violin and polish for violin. Yep, and of course we need new set of strings. Usually I'll start with removing my chin rest. So I removed the shoulder rest, and now I'm gonna clean it a little bit with the cloth, with the fabric. So now, before change strings, I'm unscrewing the final tunings. And the first string usually that I'm changing, it's E string. Slowly alright, here we go. And we without E string now. We're taking new E string. I have a string with the ball, there you go, you can see it. And first hook it here on tailpiece. Make sure also you placing this plastic small tube on the bridge. And every pack has that small hole, so you have to put your string in that big hole. There you go. Alright, so with the A string, the same thing, we have to first remove old one. Now we have to put a new one. All the time double check your bridge, it have to be straight. You see mine already went a little bit this side, so I'm gonna straighten him a little bit, but make sure your strings they are loose, otherwise if they will be tense and you try to push the bridge, you will break the bridge. Alright, now we will remove this string. Where I'm gathering every string like this, it's just for my own comfort, you know, so they are not laying down on the table or whatever where I'm changing in chaotic way, you know, like this. They are more organized and I can see clearly that these strings they are reused one. The same way like we put E string and A string, same way we will put now this string. To hook here, also it's not going very easily, so we have to push it a little bit. There you go. Make sure that every string it goes on that special place on the bridge. You can see it, yeah? It have to be here. And it's time for G string. So where you go, all four strings are on our violin. Well, now you have to tense all those strings. First of all, you have to do that very slowly, and second of all, you have to all the time check your bridge, yeah, and one string by one you have to tune it. So when you are tuning your violin, please make sure all the time that your bridge stays straight when you're looking at it like this, and when you're looking at it like this. Well, now that our violin is finally clean, we can polish. let me know in the comments what you think about it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you'll learn something new and even more.